Hi everyone, this is Olik from Zambia with my two friends, Joson from Laos and Enos from India. We are going to sing a song for you. This is a song written by Enos and with the help of Joson. It's in Bahasa Indonesia. It's an invitation to everyone who wants to join the Yamen program, and I hope you enjoy this piece of music. Thank you. Yeah.
Yamen program di seluruh dunia, ada banyak pengalaman berharga.
Gimana lirik?
Oh my god! Stop!
Before.
Kamu atas atau bawah?
Bawah. Kamu atas ya? Sudah? Belum? Saya mau lagi. Hello everyone, this is Olik from Zambia with my two friends, Enos Lopamanji from India
Namaste.
and Joson from Laos.
Selaidi.
We are going to sing a song written in Indonesia by Enos with the help of Joson. It's an invitation to every youth who wants to join the Yamen program. Please, you are welcome to join this program and enjoy this. We pray that you enjoy this piece of music. Thank you.
Yamen program di seluruh dunia, ada banyak pengalaman berharga.
Stop! Kamu lupa, itu ganti di atas.
Itu atas loh.
Enggak.
Yamen
Itu.
Yamen program di seluruh itu.
Yamen program di seluruh dunia.
Yamen program di
Jadi
seluruh
saya Yamen program di seluruh.
Yamen program di seluruh dunia, ada banyak pengalaman berharga. Kata kamu atas ya?
Saya atas.
Ya.
Yamen program. Oke. Oke.
Ya, apa? Yamen program di seluruh dunia, ada banyak.
Yamen program di seluruh dunia. Oke, coba. 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone, this is Olik from Zambia with my two friends, Enos from India and Joson from Laos. We are going to sing a song written by Enos with the help of Joson. This song is written in Bahasa Indonesia. It's just an invitation to every youth out there who wants to join the Yamen program. Please, you're welcome. It's a nice program. You will benefit, and we hope you enjoy this piece of music. Thank you very much. Yamen program di seluruh dunia, ada banyak pengalaman berharga. Yamen program di seluruh Terima kasih. Sudah loh, saya nggak mau lagi.